The three of us were painters, professional painters and artists in our own right, and we got together in 1997 and opened the Troika Gallery. The cool thing is that the word Troika is Greek, and it means a committee of three that represents the finest of fine art. I've been painting all of my life, but professionally for the last 21 years, since '88. Professional portraits, working in pastel. As you see, the gentleman here in the red shirt is a pastel, as well as oil. Three of us owners paint in the back room of the Troika Gallery, and you can watch us create a commissioned portrait right before your eyes.
I just used to paint all boats and dogs and houses and things, but I just came to portraits and fell in love with them. Like each one I do, I spend 2 or 3 months on a portrait and I fall in love with that person in lots of different ways, and so that's why I love to paint.
Actually, I've been an artist all of my life, and I think probably most artists will say that. My career led from being a commercial artist doing illustrations, but I think probably while I was being an illustrator, that's when I fell in love with the figure. And over the years, it's developed that I really have a passion for doing portraits in oil and watercolor. And what excites me the most is when the client comes in and looks at the portrait and I see that glint in their eye that says, she's got it.
Okay, now you're going to see a great transformation. Here is the subject. Here is the finished portrait of the subject.